How I managed to make 100+% return by trading Nifty options. In today's video, let's understand the reason behind taking the trade and what was the setup I used so that I achieved this much profit. Let's jump into my screen and let's understand the setup. So we're at my screen now and the trade I took in Nifty. So this is Nifty futures chart and I will explain you how I able to capture this exact move and what was the reason and what was my setup. So if you see, the market has been consolidating. Like I said, in my pre-market video, I said that Nifty is very bullish about 25,000, 25,000 and 24,800. So, like if you observe on 15th of September, the market was totally negative and it created a very strong base, which was around 25,150. Let me make it this one. Yeah, so if you look at, this is a very important support that the market has created, and this is one of the few chart pattern which I have already explained you in my chart pattern series. So this is a very strong base that the market has created on 15th of September. On 16th of September when market open, if you look the 915 candle, this is a 915 candle. Let me zoom in. This is the 915th candle, right? On 915, the market took support from exact 150 levels. And once the day high was broken, and once this resistance was broken, I bought the call option for the Nifty. And if you will see that I held it till 25,300. So 25,200 to 25,300, that's a 100-point move. And in options, that's 200-point move what I captured in Nifty options. So this is the setup. This is a very simple setup. You don't have to learn very complicated chart patterns. You don't have to learn what is option chain and all these things. Simple and simple price action. Simple finding a proper support and resistance. By the way, if you have not watched my how to find support and resistance video, click the link in the description. You will find the video. And in that I have explained very clearly how to find a support and how to find a resistance in the market. So if you observe this chart, I just did nothing. I just marked the support and I marked the low. And from there, the market went like 150 points rally that market gave, and I able to capture this much profit. So this is the main reason why, little things also, and not, if you have too much knowledge in market, that also a very dangerous thing. If you have little knowledge also is a very dangerous thing. So you need to have a balance, right? Simple price action also work. Simple psychology level also works. If you watch my pre-market regularly, I always give you the Nifty and Bank Nifty levels. If you just follow those levels and if you just trade those levels, you will see the results and you will recover your losses very, 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 very fast. So this was the simple setup which I did. I just wanted to show you that yes, simple setup also will make you money, and with just one lot also you can make a lot of money. People say 10-20 lakh matter. Yes, it do matter, but everyone doesn't have 10-20 lakh. Like Rakesh Jhunjhunwala started with 5,000, and tell me which stock given him this much return from 5,000 to 80,000 crores. No stock has given. He was also a trader. Once he also took one lot, trading lot, right? So simple things also works, right? Simple thing, if you see, the resistance was there, the resistance is here, the resistance is here, and once it broke, I just simply bought the call option. Simple price action, nothing complicated. Once this resistance was also taken out, 25,200, like I said in my pre-market, at 25,200, about 25,200, buy about 25,200, right? So just simply bought a call option. Look at my stop loss. What is my stop loss? Stop loss is just below this. I'll zoom in. The stop loss is just below this candle. You see, hardly like 20-30 points in Nifty, and I captured 100 points. It's just 1:5, 1:6 kind of target. One trade can change your life. One trade can recover all your losses in the market. So this was the basic setup. This was the reason I wanted to show you that simple things do matter. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe and watch my other videos for learning. Thank you for watching, and I'll come up with more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.